Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your friend list on Facebook. First, open your Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check first if my friend list is visible on my profile. So I'll check my profile in here. I'll scroll down. And as you can see, my friends are visible on my profile. To hide it, go to Menu. From here, scroll down and then select Settings and Privacy. Tap Privacy Shortcuts and then click See More Privacy Settings. Scroll down and then under How People Find and Contact You, you'll find Who Can See Your Friend List. Now we select that. From here, you'll find different options to choose who can see your friend list. Select More. And from here, we'll select Only Me. And that's how to hide friend lists on Facebook. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.